G'day, welcome back. So it's been a while since we've had the Audi Project 90s 80 on the channel. That's mainly because it's just been kind of working really. It's been my daily driver. Takes me to and from work. My brother came and borrowed it for a few weeks, did a few thousand kilometers. It's just been working pretty well really. No great issues. Now this car's always had a problem with coolant and the cooling system. Partly because of some of the kind of monkey fixes that have been put into it over the years. For example, that $2,000 radiator, which is just hard to believe. But yeah, I noticed that we'd lost a bit more coolant and I couldn't find where it had gone this time. For those who are not familiar, I've been chasing coolant leaks around this car since I've got it, mostly due to kind of worn out hoses that are kind of no longer available and holes in flanges and bits and pieces, but all the coolant leaks have been on the outside. Now they appear to be who knows where. I can't find an external leak, so we're going to do a bit of diagnostics here, see if we can figure it out. Might seem fairly obvious, but we'll go through the steps and see what we can figure out. The plugs don't look terrible. The 2 and 3, there's a little bit of white on them, but not really kind of coolanty white. Yeah, let's have a look inside. Look at that. It's pretty coolanty. Jeez. Two of them. That would explain where all that coolant's gone. Well, there we go. I guess that was the result we expected but didn't really want to see. This car's been driving fine, although the last few weeks it's kind of, once you start it, it just takes a minute or two, well, a couple of moments just to, what's the difference between a minute and a moment? Don't know. Takes a few seconds to just kind of clear its throat and kind of probably, I guess, pump all that coolant out the exhaust, give us those nice clouds of white smoke. But yeah, apart from that, the car's been running fine. Hasn't overheated. It's never overheated on my watch. I've got my second temperature gauge in there just to keep an eye on things. That's been running fine. Spark plugs, they all look pretty reasonable. No obvious sign of coolant contamination. Certainly not on plugs 1 and 5. So yeah, I guess we're in for a head gasket. Probably getting the head planed. New head bolts, water pump, timing belt, saw back, busted knuckles, all those kind of things. So yeah, stick around for that. We'll try not to make it into a 300 part series, but see if we can get the job done nice and quick so I can drive to work. Would be nice. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for more head gasket fun.